Hello DIY Glamettes, and welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is a glam DIY compilation. You're going to be getting 3 high-end DIYs using mirrored mosaic tile, crushed diamond epoxy sheets, and glitter. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notification. Let's get to crafting. And for DIY number 1, I'm using this Dollar Tree wine glass. I'm using Mod Podge, my Walmart Sulin glitter, and my mirror mosaic tile. I always have something to catch my glitter in. I'm going to first add my mirror mosaic tile to the vase, and I'm going to just create a opening design that I'm going to leave not glittered or unglittered on the front. So I just want you to follow me along. This is going to be a very simple and easy DIY tutorial. Now that I've done the mirror mosaic tile, it's now time to add the glitter, and I'm adding my Mod Podge to the bottom base of the wine glass, and I'm going to add it to the top of the wine glass as well. I'm not putting any glitter on the stem. So once I Mod Podge, I'm just going to shake on my Sulin ultrafine glitter, and I'm going to repeat this step until I completely cover the areas that I want glitter on. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY. Now that we have that finished, I'm going to add another layer of Mod Podge and another layering of my glitter as well. Now if you get this coated the way you like up front, you're good to go, and this can be the final process. I'm just going to repeat this step because I want my glitter to actually be a little thick on here because of the clear opening on the front of the glass. Now that we are completely covered with our second layer of Mod Podge, you have to let it dry. Now I'm finna to put the final coat of Mod Podge on to seal on the glitter so you don't have glitter fallout. To everyone, I'm gonna drop a link down in the description box for how to prevent glitter fallout. It is one of my techniques for preventing glitter fallout. I'm going to also have it included in one of the iCards. Make sure you check out that video if you're doing any craft projects that's using Mod Podge and glitter. We're going to be using one of Total Dazzle brooches to dress this wine glass up. I'm going to drop Total Dazzle link down in my description box. make sure you go for the Total Dazzle and snag you some of these beautiful pieces. I'm just going to hot glue it on, then we'll have this DIY project finished. And this completes DIY project number 1 and number 2. I hope you're liking these beautiful wine glasses. They are gorgeous. Now, if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs, make sure you subscribe to all of our channels. For DIY number 3, we're going to take this thrifted cylinder vase. I'm using that crushed diamond epoxy sheet, my mirrored mosaic tile, my Mod Podge, and I'm actually using blue crushed glass, and I got that from Michaels. Now I'm going to add this crushed epoxy sheet onto my vase, and it is actually self-adhesive. I will tell you guys that the self-adhesive pieces saves you a lot of time in your projects. And two, family, if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you do tap that bell twice so you know every time that I am uploading a video. And you may be wondering, what do you get here on the Glam Queen of DIY? Well, on the Glam Queen of DIY, you'll get glam high-end DIYs. You'll get a little bit of budget home renovations, tutorials, step-by-step guides, anything that actually glams up your home. I love DIY accessories and DIY hacks, DIY room decor. You will find it here. So this is your go-to channel for all of your quick and easy home decor essentials. Do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now I'm just adding that mirrored mosaic tile along the edges of that crushed diamond epoxy sheet, and my vase looks like this. Please make sure you still continue to follow me along as we complete DIY number 2 for this DIY craft project. And we're getting ready to actually add that crushed glass onto the top portion of this vase, and I'm just putting a heavy coat of Mod Podge on the vase, and once I do it, then I'm going to just pour on that crushed glass. We're going to let this dry, then we'll be right back. Now that our piece have dried, I'm going to actually add a second coat or fill in. Now some of my vase really didn't have to be filled in, but a few places, I'm sorry you guys, but just a few places. But I'm going to just add that second layer of Mod Podge, and I'll only fill in the spots that need to be filled in. And I'm also adding my glitter flakes to actually add more sparkle in here, and I'm using that ultra fine glitter, and we're going to let this dry. Now this piece have dried. I'm going to add my Total Dazzle brooch to it. Please make sure you check out the link so you can snag you some of these beautiful brooches from Total Dazzle. Alright you guys, this is finna complete this DIY. It looks like this. And you know, if you like this DIY, let me know. But if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.